Hey, good evening, folks. This is my S Group investment account. Daily review video, 5 minute daily review video, video one. This is actually me in the system for about a year and a half now. I did a bunch of previous videos, but a lot has changed in the company. I'll get to that um, momentarily in this video or the coming videos, but we just got our earnings for the day. So I've been in this company, S Group, since October of 2020. It's now May 2022, and this is my progress, guys. I've just cleared $9,000 in profits, and I have a combined just over 13,000. I think it's 13,100 and something in the system. We just got our earnings for the day, which was 0.58%, as you see right there, and I made 57.03 today. Now, this is something, guys, that I've just let run on autopilot for the last year and a half, just a little bit more than a year and a half. Started out with like maybe, let's see, started out with $300 testing out the system. But over a 6 month period, I put $4,000 in there. So put into perspective, guys, April of 2020, I was at 5,000. Like this number here is 5,000. So now May of April of 2021, I should say. Yeah, April of 2021, I was at 5,000 here. So now it's May 2022, and I'm over 13,000. So my account went up 7,000 in 1 year, and I just left the money in here, let it run on autopilot. This system has a bunch of different components. I'm going to get to that in other videos as well. But I'm working with the Forex market right now. So the system does Forex trades, and the earnings is given out to the investors. I'm one of the investors. So just to give you a little bit of history, this is my account. As you can see, the dates. Oh, sorry about that, guys. You can see the dates, April 27th, 28th, 29th. And you can see my earnings. This is daily earnings, 5 days a week on the Forex market. Just having money in the system, guys. This could be you. My projection in about 1 year's time from now, in 2023, I'll be making about 100 to 120 bucks a day, making about 600 bucks a week, US on this system. So, yeah, there's a lot of different other areas in the system you can invest in. I will be getting to that in other videos. But for now, I just wanted to show you guys my Forex investment fund. And yeah, it's looking really great, guys. So if you want more information on this, my email address is in the description below, as well as my referral link if you'd like to sign up on the system and make money like this 5 days a week on autopilot, and just let it sit there for like a year, 2 years. You can do withdrawals whenever you want, but I just want to get my account up to about maybe 15 to 20,000, somewhere in there. I'm pretty close. Then I'm going to start doing withdrawals, but I'm just building right now, guys. And my plan is every 2 weeks I'm going to take out half my earnings. So say, for example, if I make 600 bucks in 2 weeks, I'll take out 300 US, reinvest the other 300 US. That way my account will keep building, and it just goes on forever, guys. So this is a great passive way. You got to think about it. If you have some bills to pay, if you got a new car, you need to make car payments, living expenses. You can use this as a second income. That's what I'm doing for my future. So, like I said, guys, the link is in the description. I'm going to show other components and other histories of different components of the S Group investment system here. So this is just like a 5 minute quick review video. I'm going to be doing a bunch of these, so this is the first of many. I did have some videos earlier that I did, but I deleted a bunch of them because the company changed its name and a lot of the links have changed, so I thought I'd start over. But I wanted to show you guys my back office and what I made today. It was a really good earnings day today. The most I ever made in one day so far, I made $99. That was about 2 weeks ago. So today was pretty good. I made $57. I'm happy with that. And today is a Monday, so I got another 4 more days to earn on this week. So, but yeah, that concludes the S Group daily review video, video one. Thank you.